G'day guys, Gordon from Blue Tongue Industries. Really happy and really excited to be here, invited by the National Trust at Labassa in Melbourne. I've just given you a bit of a look around this fantastic building, and if you haven't seen any of the buildings listed and controlled by the National Trust, I'll drop links below. You can spend many a day, a cup of tea and a nice scone wandering around our past history. But we've been invited today to talk about the maintenance and helping maintain these old heritage listed buildings. The Skyvac gutter vacuum systems have been an important part of maintaining and preventing water damage within these buildings with regular gutter maintenance, high dusting and vacuuming, and also used when there's dangerous paints and lead acid paints that have been incorporated into some of these buildings over the years with cleaning up mess. So you can see all the information about Skyvac. I'll drop links below, the gutter vacuum range. We've also got ionic systems on board here today, so some external window cleaning, some high reach facade cleaning. All this and much, much more. If you need soft wash, pressure cleaning, the cleaning of the external facades without high pressure, we can definitely assist. Many different genres on our website at bluetongueindustries.com.au. Check out our other videos on YouTube under Blue Tongue Industries. We hope you managed to come down today and take a look at some of these old heritage trades that are showing their skills and techniques at keeping these buildings in the state that they are, and when repairs are done, it's absolutely amazing. So come down, some really old skills, and Labassa in Melbourne today.